Okay guys, I have the new brush set. It comes in this pretty little package here. You open it up and here are the brushes. Look at how beautiful these brushes are. Aren't they gorgeous? So soft. We're talking about super smooth, synthetic, high-grade synthetic brushes. And on each of them, it'll say right here what it's for. And today, see how it says like what it's for? All of them. We have the cheek brush that has a bit of an angle to it. The foundation brush is sold separately. It's not on this package. So you'll see the powder brush and the cheek brush. And then you have your 3 brushes for your eyes. And I love them. They're so beautiful and soft. So let's do a look with this. Aren't they great? And it's the exact same price as they normally are. It's $55 and it comes again in a nice chic bag that says Mary Kay on it. Very, very nice, very compact, and you can fit all the brushes in there. So let's try this look that I mentioned. The sweet plum, we're gonna use the granite, and we're gonna use coal. Those are the 3 eye shadows that we're gonna use today in this look. So let's get started. I love this concealer brush. Absolutely love it. We'll start with the coal. And you only need a real little bit of coal. And since this brush is angled, we can go right in. I'm gonna go in with the sweet plum. And that's gonna be the transition color. I'm just wiping it off on my hand, just wiping the color off. And now I'm gonna go in with the granite. It's so nice and fluffy that it picks up so much product. Now the smudger brush, I'm going to grab the purple that we used up there. I love purple and I love putting color underneath the eye. And there goes your smoky eye. I'm gonna go in and blend a little bit more with the older brush that we have. Make sure there's nothing on there. I just wanna blend a little bit more. My girlfriend was like, do the highlight on the inside. So I'm going to grab any one of these highlighters. If you have the blush duos, you can use the highlighters here, and you're gonna put that in the inner corner of your eyes, okay? Like so. Mascara, go towards the nose. That's a trick to kind of make the lashes look, don't just go up, go towards the nose, and for some reason it makes it look so much intense. Ooh, and I'm all set. Look at that. Those are the eyes with those 3 colors, with our beautiful brush set that we now have with Mary Kay. So make sure you get your brushes. They're so great. They're fantastic. All right, let me take my makeup shots now.